Optima line chemicals. It's got an emulsion remover.
Okay.
It's got ink remover to remove your ink, your plastisol, not for water-based plastisol. You have an emulsion remover. You have a ghost and haze remover. Then you have a degreaser. Okay. So right now we're gonna work with the emulsion remover. Okay. So looking for the emulsion remover, it's right here. See it? Emulsion remover. I want you to spray from the top and work your way down. Probably about 10, 12 sprays. Get the whole screen. There you go. Now turn it around. Start again. How many sprays?
Probably like 12.
10, 12, right? Okay, cool. All right, so now, normally what people do is they put it in a dip tank and they let them sit there. Sometimes they forget about them, they come back 2 days later. But this stuff is so good, it works fairly quick and you could do it right away and get the job done. Grab the blue scrub brush. All right, it's always best to have a nice scrub brush. We have 3 different types. We have a hard one, medium, and soft. All right, I like to do the emulsion with the hard one. And I want you to scrub, start from the top. You can go in circles and then up and down. Yeah. Light, don't try yourself out. You go up and down. Just kind of get the whole screen going. Are you getting tired? Is it easy? Turn it around. Okay, now you see the thick green parts, the little sections? Try and get them a little extra because this way you want to make sure they come together. There you go. All right. Now you do the same thing on this side. Go around in circles like you're doing. Just the bottom. Yeah, there we go. All right, now turn it back around. All right, you can put the brush down. Now we're gonna use a garden hose. So imagine what a power wash is gonna do, okay? You can start from the top. No, hold on, let me fix this. There you go, start from the top. And you get closer. Get everything, get the green, get all the green. Get closer, get closer. All right, now let's turn it around. Remember what I said about the thicker parts?
Yeah.
That's one. Okay, all right. Now, you saw how it worked with the garden hose. I'm gonna hook up this power washer, get it going, and then you'll see the difference. But again, the point of this stuff is you could do it at home. You have a power washer. See the letters? Okay, so don't be afraid to come close to it. And it's so thick, and you won't get lost. Now grab the screen and put it to the light, look for your ghost. The ghost is the image. Where is it? Okay, now we're gonna remove that, okay? So look for your Hazen ghost remover. Turn them around. Look at the other one.
All right,
The other one.
listen.
The other one. There you go. All right, I want you to spray it on there and on the other side. Okay, now grab the red one, the red brush, and just scrub it and go around in circles. Okay, turn it around. Okay, now turn it the other direction so we can get the other emulsion off. All right, try to blow that emulsion out and then clean the ghost. And the whole screen, actually. Clean the ghost. Okay. Now look for the ghost.
It's calm.
Okay.
I hope you buying that party.
All right. Now we're gonna degrease the screen. So what we're doing with the degreaser is, the way I explain it to people is I basically tell them, take a shower, you put on deodorant, and then you want to put on some hand cream, and you feel good as new. So we want to clean up the screen. We want to degrease it, and this way you won't get the water stains, the water spots on it.
Okay.
You won't put it proper, okay? So look for the degreaser. Got it? All right, start from the top. You need about 6 squirts. Okay, turn it. So we're basically putting on some deodorant on it, you know? Okay. Now what I do is I keep a separate brush and it's a soft one.
Okay.
So I use the white one.
Okay.
Cleanliness, right? It makes sense. Okay, and then you just scrub it. Go up and down with it in circles. Feel it? You're degreasing the screen, so you're removing all the different chemicals and plasticizers and things that went through the screen, and you're trying to make it like new again, okay? So let's turn it. Okay, let's do it again. Again, this is our Optima line, Optima. Okay. Okay, now I want you to hit it with the water. Let's use the small one so you could see the water repel off it and just see the reaction. You see the difference in the water, the way it lays?
Yeah.
See how it slides off? Go on top again. Just get a little closer.
Mom, flip it over.
Take it out and catch it. See the difference now in how the water lays?
Yeah.
Right? Okay? All right, now what we do is, you have an air compressor at home?
Yes.
Okay, so do you have an air blower
Yeah.
for it? All right, so we're gonna go to the air compressor section and blow the water out.
Okay.
Okay? I want you to get your money's worth out of driving up to. We have screen printing classes going on too. We have one Saturday.
Saturday?
Yeah, we teach how to burn, coat, clean screens, and print classes. 175? Yeah. It's like 5-6 hours. Sorry, it's over here. So you take the air hose and you want to blow out the water to prevent it from creating stains and dots and stuff like that, okay? Okay, so you can rest it on the ground.